Hello children, welcome to online computer class. We will start with our same lesson, that is keyboard and its function, part 3. Children, in part 1 we have seen two types of keys, that is alphabet keys and number keys. This is keyboard. On the screen you can see that keyboard. Okay, on this keyboard we have seen which keys? Alphabet keys, number keys. Alphabet keys are A to Z, 26 alphabet keys. And number keys, how many number keys do you remember? 0 to 9. 10 number keys are there on the keyboard. Then we have seen special character keys also. I showed you some special character keys in the part 2 of this lesson. Special character keys, comma, full stop, question mark. These keys we have seen, right? Have you studied? Okay. Children, then next key we have seen, that is space bar key. Space bar key is used to give space between two words. And next key which we have seen in the last online class, we have seen caps lock key. Caps lock key to type the letters in a capital. Okay children, so we have seen alphabet keys, number keys, special character keys, space bar key and caps lock key. Now today we are going to see few different keys, some more different keys. Which key? First I will show you enter key. What is this key? Enter key. See, can you see in this picture? Enter key. The spelling of enter key is E-N-T-E-R. Children, read this spelling. E-N-T-E-R. Enter key. What is the use of this enter key? I will show you what is the use of this enter key. And one more key we are going to see, that is, these are arrow keys. See, there are 4 types of arrow keys. 4 arrow keys. You can see on this key, you can see arrow, A-R-R-O-W, arrow on the key. Okay, so these are called arrow keys. How many arrow keys are there? 4. Up arrow, down arrow, right arrow and left arrow. You can see up arrow, down arrow, right arrow and left arrow. Okay, we will see now how to use this key. Now see children. First we will see enter key. Okay, on the keyboard, the enter key is here on the keyboard. Can you see E-N-T-E-R, enter key? Okay children, this enter key we use to take our cursor to the next line. This enter key we use to take our cursor to the next line. Now first, in the notepad, we will type one sentence. Okay, children. First, with the help of the keyboard, you type one sentence. First, you type my name is, give space, then type is Swara. I am giving one example. Swara. Okay, full stop. Then this blinking line, that is your cursor. Now you want to take it to the next line. So to take this cursor on a next line, you have to press enter key. This is enter key, children. Now just press this enter key. Press it once. Okay. Now you can see your cursor is on the next line. Your cursor is on the next line. Now you can type I am in class 1. Okay, you can type. Fine. See. Now again, when you want to go to next line, you give one. Again press enter key. See, press enter key. Now your cursor will go again to the next line and you can type a next sentence. Okay, children. So first you type a sentence, then when you want to go to next line, you press enter key. Understood, children? Okay. Now we will see arrow keys. I will show you arrow keys. See, these are the arrow keys on the keyboard. Can you see up arrow, down arrow, left arrow and right arrow? See, this is up arrow, down, right arrow, and this is left arrow. Okay, children. Now this we press to move this cursor up and down and left and right. Now when you want to take your cursor up, you can press this up arrow. This up arrow you press. Okay, children. Now see here. Press up arrow. You can see the cursor is moving up on the screen. Now to take it down, you can press down arrow. Now again take up arrow. Click up arrow, press. Then left key, press right key to take the cursor to the right side. This right arrow you press. Okay, children, to take your cursor to the right side. See here. You can see the cursor is moving on the right side. Now again, when you want to take your cursor to the left side of the cursor, see, you press this left arrow key. Again press left arrow key. Your cursor will move left. See, children. Okay. Up, down, left, right, left. You have to press this arrows. So accordingly the cursor will move. This standing blinking line is your cursor. It will move. Okay, children, understood this? Up arrow, down arrow, left arrow and right arrow to move your cursor up and down, left and right. We use up arrow, down arrow, left arrow and right arrow. So we have seen enter key and arrows. Okay. Children, have you understood the use of enter key? How to use enter key? Enter key. What is the use of enter key? Enter key is used to bring the cursor. Cursor means blinking line on the screen. Bring the cursor to the next line on the screen. This is the use of enter key. Okay, children, and arrow keys also we have seen. 4 types of arrow keys. Up arrow key is used to move the cursor up. Down arrow key is used to move the cursor down. Left arrow key is used to move the cursor to the left side, and right arrow key is used to move the cursor right. Okay, children, I showed you how to use these keys. Okay, so cursor position is very important while pressing these arrow keys. You see where is your cursor. When you want to go up, you will press up arrow. When you want to go down, you will press down arrow. Right and left arrow keys are also there. Okay, children. Now, next we will see backspace key. Back means back. We want to go back. Space key. What is this backspace key? What is the spelling? First we will read. B-A-C-K, back. S-P-A-C-E, space key. Okay, children. And second key we will see, that is delete key. D-E-L-E-T-E, delete key. You can see where is the delete key on the keyboard, and backspace key also here. See, this is backspace key. Now first I will show you how to use this backspace key and delete key. We will see the use of backspace key and delete key. Children, now we will see backspace key. Backspace key. See here, children, on the keyboard, this key above the enter key. See, you can see this is backspace key. Back arrow is there. B-A-C-K-S-P-A-C-E, backspace. Okay, what is the use of this backspace key? We will see now. Now, see, this we have typed. Okay, already we have typed this 2 sentences. Now, our cursor is here at the end of this sentence. Okay, now I want to erase it. I want to erase this sentence. This backspace key is used like eraser. Okay, now when you press this backspace key, see, when I press this backspace key, it will erase the alphabet which is at the left side of the cursor. You can see. When you press the backspace key, I am pressing backspace key. Okay, children. Now, once you press the backspace key, it will erase the alphabets. It will erase one alphabet. You can see it is erasing. Okay. Now, we have erased full line using backspace key. Understood, children? What is the use of this backspace key? Okay. Now, we will see delete key. Can you see on this keyboard delete key? D-E, this one, D-E-L-E-T-E. Delete key is there on the keyboard. You can find out on your keyboard, on the computer keyboard. You just check this D-E-L. Okay, D-E-L-E-T-E, delete key. What is the use of this delete key? We will see now. See here, children. Now take your cursor here. See, up, and suppose I am just giving one example. I have typed a 2 times S. Okay, now I want to erase this S, and my cursor is here at the in between 2 S. Now I want to erase the S which is at the right side of the cursor. My cursor is in the middle. You can see in the center. Now when you want to erase the words or the alphabet which are at the right side of the cursor. Cursor means blinking line. Okay. That time you press delete key. Use delete key. Just press delete key and see what will happen. See, now we have deleted that extra S. Understood, children? What is the use of the delete key? How we use? Okay, see, I will show you again. Now, suppose we have done one typing mistake. Just take your cursor in between this 2S and just see what will happen when you will press the delete key. See, this extra S will get deleted. Understood, children? means you can delete. I will show you. Just press delete key and see. You can see the words which are at the right side of the cursor that you can delete using delete key. See, I will delete this name is also. See, now delete key, delete, delete, delete. The words which are at the right side of the cursor, it is getting deleted by using this delete key. See, this delete key. Okay, children, understood? Backspace key and delete key. Backspace key is used to delete the words or the alphabet which are at the left side of the cursor, and delete key is used to delete the alphabet which are at the right side of the cursor. Okay, children? Children, I hope you all understood how to use backspace key. What is the use? What is the use of the backspace key? To erase the letter typed at the left side of the cursor. Left side of the cursor. Okay, children? To erase the letter typed at the left side of the cursor. This is your right side, this is your left side. So your cursor is in the center. When you press the backspace key, it will move like this. It will move like this. Okay, it will move left side. So you can erase it at the by using backspace key. And delete key, to erase the letter type at the right side of the cursor. See, this is your cursor. So whatever is in the right side of the cursor, that you can delete it by using delete key. When you will press the delete key, it will automatically get erased. Okay, so erase, to erase the letter type at the right side of the cursor. Cursor means that blinking line on the screen. Okay, children. Now, see. Now, children, you all do one activity at home. What you have to do? First, you have to open Notepad. You have to open Notepad. You all know how to open Notepad. We have learned how to open Notepad. Okay. Then you type your name in the first line. Okay. Then use enter key. Go to the next line. Then type your standard and division. Okay. Then again press enter key, go to next line and type your school name. Then again press enter key and type mobile number of your mother or father. This is one activity that you are going to do at home. Okay, children. So today, now only you practice this. Type name, standard division, school name and mobile number. So you will practice alphabet keys also, then number keys also, enter keys also. Enter key also you will practice in this assignment. So you do this assignment, do this activity at home today. Okay, children, have a nice day.